Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Societe Generale Review My Usage Experience. Societe Generale Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to review and manage your accounts with Societe Generale. It's primarily aimed at existing Societe Generale customers who want easy online access to their accounts, transaction history, and other banking services. Key features include account summaries, transaction viewing, payment initiation, and potentially other features depending on your account type. Their website provides details on the full suite of available functionalities. Their website highlights ease of use and comprehensive account management as key benefits. It emphasizes secure online banking, with features designed to protect user data. Pricing is transparent, integrated within the existing banking structure, and there are no additional fees for using the online platform. Availability is limited to Societe Generale customers, and access is granted after account verification. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Societe Generale Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging in with my existing banking credentials, the dashboard presented a clear summary of my accounts, including balances and recent transactions. Navigating the interface was intuitive, finding specific transactions or initiating payments was quick and easy. The transaction history was detailed and accurately reflected my activity. I was really impressed by how visually clear and easy to understand the account summaries were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download transaction data in various formats for easy accounting. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have been convenient for on-the-go checks. I had a quick question about setting up recurring payments and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing clear and helpful instructions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Societe Generale Review My Usage Experience. It's a robust and user-friendly platform that effectively streamlines account management. That's my overview of Societe Generale Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.